Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today I'm actually getting ready to go to a client's house and just show them a sample of, basically we're going to age some poplar, some rough cut poplar here. So we're going to use this eco wood treatment. I don't know all the science involved. I know it's non-toxic. I know it's just a powder you mix with water and it basically just gives it like an instant aged look. So if you want more information, definitely just look up their website. I'm just trying this as a sample because I know it's fairly simple to do. It should be relatively, I guess, just not very labor intensive. Wipe it on quick. You don't have to do anything else and you can get that barn wood look. Okay, so on the package it says 4.5 liters to the whole container. So what it came with is this. So I just dumped that into my little cup here. It's about a 1/3 of a cup, which I roughly calculated is about 78 milliliters of product to 4,500 milliliters of water. So what I did, we'll have to just pop some math up on the screen, is I just went, it's kind of like when you do rise over run, it's just a cross multiply and divide. So I had 78 mils over 4,500. I figured 1 teaspoon's about 5 mils, so then I go equals 5 mils over X, because I don't know how much water I need. So when I cross multiply, I just go 5 mils times 4,500 mils equals, and then I divide that by the 78 mils total, and I come out with about 288 milliliters of water that I need, which is just over a cup. So I'm going to do that right now, real quick here. I have 1 teaspoon. I just want to get a rough ratio, so I'm just going to dump that in here. I have my water. And this is the first time I've ever used this product, so we're just going to give it a whirl. And this is rough cut poplar that we're doing. And I should probably read the directions a bit more because I don't know how long it takes to actually start working. Yeah, I'm shooting this video on the fly because I actually have to run to this meeting, so I want to get just a little bit of a sample done, and then at least I can leave it with her, and if it needs time to age, it can do that. But you can see it's already turning the fibers. I think what it does is it changes the starches or the sugars in the wood itself and just basically instantly ages it. So we'll do those rough cut. I'll finish those up, and then I have this planed piece of poplar that I'll just kind of do this end on, and we'll come back to this and see what it looks like here after a while. So we let that sit for a couple of days. As you can see, you get instant barn board. Now what I'm told is if you leave this out in the sun, get some UVs in it, it'll actually just darken and age more and more. But basically all it does is it just gives you that instant barn board look, and then it'll just darken over time, and it's a really simple and easy process to apply it.